Hey everyone and welcome, it's Chef Jason Morris, your Ace Hardware Grill expert, hanging out in the backyard today in beautiful, colorful Colorado for today's edition of Ace This Recipe. Today, we're talking all about planking, not the exercise. We're talking about cedar planking today. Not much of a planker unless it comes to cedar. So today, we're gonna show you an awesome way to get the cedar plank tuna on the Weber grill. Super fast, super easy, tons of flavor, but a totally amazing recipe. The cool thing about this too, cedar planking isn't just for fish. You can cedar plank steaks, chicken, vegetables, pork, potatoes, really everything. And the nice thing about this dish today and this recipe is great as an entree, perfect as a standalone, but also fantastic if you want to turn it into cedar plank tacos, maybe a cedar plank tuna salad. Lots of good options for you. So, hey, thanks so much for joining us. Let's get rocking and rolling, get this grill going, and it's plank time. All right, let's do a quick little food flyover, give you a little walkthrough of our ingredients. We're starting off with these beautiful Western cedar grilling planks. We've gone ahead and soaked them in water like you can see here, and these guys have been sitting overnight. I started them off with warm water because I really wanted to open the pores of that wood up just a little bit and help that water absorb in there so much faster. And like I said, I let them sit overnight just to be safe. Some beautiful yellowfin tuna, and look at that. So pristine and so just absolutely gorgeous. No bloodline, no skin, just a nice, easy, wonderful eating piece of fish. We're gonna glaze it with a little bit of our happy ending barbecue sauce. We're gonna start a little bit of rub-a-dub on the bottom layer, top it with a little bit of garden seasoning just to get that Asian kind of Bangkok flavor, and then we've got a little bit of avocado oil for you as well. So that is our food flyover. Let's go ahead real quick and get this prep started. We're gonna start off with a little bit of rub-a-dub. So this is just gonna give us a tiny flavor on the bottom, and we're not gonna go crazy. Then we're gonna hit it a little bit with some garden seasoning on the top. And that oil, just look at the way that oil helps this this rub just really work its magic in there. We're not looking to overpower the flavor of this fish. We're looking to just kind of enhance it and go from there. So we'll do a little finish on this side as well. And just like that. So those are all seasoned. That's exactly how we want it. Now we're gonna let these guys sit for just a few minutes. We really want them to kind of soak and let that rub work its magic. We'll let them sit for about 5 minutes. We'll get the grill fired up, and the next time we'll see you over at the grill. We're gonna be using our Weber Genesis 2 Indigo, this beautiful Ace exclusive grill. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing fired up, open it up, turn the burners on, hit ignite, and we are good to go. We're gonna take this up to 400 degrees, and that's gonna be the perfect temperature that's gonna help really open up the aromatics of the cedar plank, not catch it on fire, give it a nice toasty finish, and really finish this tuna off fantastic. Reheated the Weber to 400. The first thing I wanna do is, I took the planks out of the water, and I'm gonna go ahead and toast them. I want to lay this first side down. I want to get a little bit of this cedar toasted, just to kind of open up a little bit of that cedar aroma. That's the beauty of cedar planking, that beautiful aroma. Been about 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a look at these guys. There we go. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Just a beautiful little bit of toast on here. Nice little bit of color. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and oil this up just lightly to help our tuna really not stick. All right, the planks have been toasted. We oiled them up, and now it is time to put our tuna right on top. We're gonna go ahead and leave that. We'll shut the lid now, and we're gonna let that cook. Now, what we're gonna watch for is, if you notice around the edges that your planks are starting to burn or catch on fire, we'll wanna be there with a spray bottle of water to help that out. So, let's go ahead and get this shut. We'll let those guys cook. We are about 3 or 4 minutes in. Let's take a quick look. That is beautiful. Look at that. The nice thing, oh man, it smells so good too. The aroma off the planks is really fantastic. So we're gonna go ahead and leave these guys and let them finish. My guess, to get this to 145 degrees, we're probably gonna need about another, 8 minutes of cook time. Here we are, the last couple minutes of the cooking process. And you can see we've already given these guys a nice little baste of happy ending barbecue sauce. They tempt at 120, but I know you can cook tuna to any temperature you want. If you want it less or you want it more, we're gonna take it to 145. So now we're gonna go ahead and shut the lid, let that glaze, and we'll see you back at the cutting board when it's time to plate these guys up. All right, you guys, we are done. What a great dish. I'll tell you, the Weber did just a fantastic job. These cedar planks smelled amazing. Like the whole back of the hardware store smelled like the wonderful world of grilling. So hey, be sure to head up top to that eye. That's our information station. That will let you in on all the world of gear, gadgets, and grills, from the rubs to the planks to the grill to everything we use today. And then leave us a comment. Click on the name of this video down below the photo capture there. That will expand that section. You can grab the recipe while you're down there, print and follow along, and leave us a comment. Tell us what you want to see, what you want to learn, and how we can be more helpful. We love your comments, and we work hard to make sure we get them all answered. So thank you for always driving these great videos with your comments. Then while you're down there, click that notification, subscribe, tell every single person you know about the Ace Hardware YouTube channel, because it is time for more delicious content. So I'm Chef Jason Morris, your Ace Hardware grill expert. Thanks so much for hanging out with us today. And again, it is quality control time, and I'm trying to determine, I'm going after this little nugget of deliciousness right here. And look at that. Like, so juicy, so tender, smells fantastic. Seriously.